Is this you? You love yourself, you know your worth, and you walk through life with confidence. But every now and then, you find yourself questioning if you're truly a confident and independent person. So, you keep watching video after video, hoping to find the answers. Don't worry, as I'm here to tell you, you're more confident than you think. Confidence isn't about being perfect or never questioning yourself. It's about balancing self-reliance with openness to growth. So let's dive in. Here are 6 signs that prove you're truly confident. You try to solve your problems for yourself, but you don't hesitate to ask for help when you need it. Being able to solve your own problems is a key sign of confidence, but it doesn't mean you should do everything on your own. This idea is called self-efficacy, which means believing in your ability to solve problems, but also knowing when to get support. For example, at work, you might be facing a complex project that requires expertise in a specific area. Instead of struggling alone, reaching out to a colleague who has the right knowledge can help you get through the challenge more effectively. Remember, asking for help doesn't show weakness. It actually demonstrates wisdom and confidence in your ability to make informed decisions. You don't rely on the opinions of others, but you are receptive to constructive criticism. Confidence means you trust yourself and make decisions based on your values, not the negative opinions of others that try to tear you down. However, this doesn't mean you should ignore all feedback, as self-esteem is also about being open to constructive criticism that helps you grow. For instance, at work, you may receive feedback on a presentation you gave. Instead of feeling discouraged, you are happy to take it as an opportunity to learn and improve, because you know that feedback helps you grow, not define your worth. Remember, when you are confident, you can listen to constructive criticism without it affecting your self-image. It shows that you value personal growth and trust your ability to improve. You focus on your own growth, but you're happy to celebrate others' achievements as well. Confidence means being secure in your own journey and progress without feeling threatened by the success of others. This idea is known as the abundance mindset, which is the belief that there's enough success and opportunities for everyone so you can truly celebrate others without feeling jealous or insecure. Say when a colleague gets promoted or achieves something great at work, they may even be younger than you, and they may work less than you. But you do not feel envious. You actually feel genuinely happy for them. Keep in mind, true confidence allows you to thrive and cheer on others, knowing that success is not a limited resource. It reflects strength, self-assurance, and a desire to create a positive environment for everyone. You take responsibility for your actions, and you're not afraid to apologize when you've made a mistake. Confidence means owning your actions and decisions even when things don't go as planned. This is known as accountability, which is the willingness to accept responsibility for your actions and take steps to make things right. If you miss a deadline at work, instead of making excuses, you take full responsibility, apologize to your team, and work to fix the situation. This will show maturity and self-assurance, as you aren't afraid to show vulnerability and learn from your experiences. Bear in mind, confidence allows you to admit when you're wrong without feeling like it weakens your self-worth. It's a sign of emotional strength and integrity that ultimately builds trust and respect from others. You are financially independent, but you manage your spending wisely. Being financially independent is a crucial part of true confidence. And true financial independence means making decisions based on your values and goals, not out of necessity or dependence on others. For example, you may earn a steady income, but you make sure to create a budget, avoid impulsive spending, and prioritize saving for the future. You're mindful of your expenses and always look for ways to improve your financial habits to ensure long-term security. Keep in mind, being confident in your finances is not just about how much money you make. It's also about confidently managing your money, because you know that you have many opportunities to build your financial future. You are not only confident in yourself, but also in the future and the possibilities that lie ahead. Confidence goes beyond just trusting your own abilities. Confidence is also about believing in your future and the opportunities that await when you stay true to yourself. For example, in your career, you're not just confident in your current skills, but also in your ability to take on new challenges and continue evolving. You trust that your commitment and growth will lead to new opportunities and success, even when the future feels uncertain. In the end, true confidence strengthens all areas of your life, including anything and everything that helps you grow. And to grow, don't be afraid to rely on others, to be vulnerable, and to face uncertainty. So, after watching this video, do you think you are a confident person? Take this video as a reminder that true confidence isn't just about perfection. It's about believing in your future, trusting in your strengths, and staying open to growth. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, remember that you are confident.